well, this is Robert. I'm going to do a little something different this time. I had a lot of noise in the background, and while I was trying to work, a lot of family noise. So I'm doing an voiceover for this. So starting out, this is a razor that Eric sent me, Cajun blade. Put a lovely J-net edge on it, and so I got done using it and testing it out and studying his work, and so now I'm putting on a Zulu Grey edge, and here I'm just resurfacing the surface on the Zulu Grey, building up a slurry. This is about, I think it's a 600 atoma, so it's fairly coarse, but that's all part of not resetting the bevel, but reconditioning the razor, getting the old J-net scratches off, and then replacing them with the Zulu Grey. So with this stone, it's smooth, but at the same time, it's got like a grit to it. Very matte feeling with the surface, the way I've conditioned it, but it leaves a very comfortable and produces a pretty keen edge. But the way the skin feels afterwards is quite interesting. It's like almost like a neutral matte feeling as well. So it's amazing how a stone can impart the same sensation you get on your skin. So right now I'm just going through the different strokes and evening out the scratch patterns, and I'll go through I do a lot more work on it, but I just want to make sure that I've got every part of the blade from the heel to the toe the same, and I want to feel that sensation all the way across. So after I rinse off the razor and clean the stone, I haven't changed the surface, resurfaced it yet. Since then, I just got rid of the slurry, and so now I was just using straight Dawn dish soap to kind of pull it to the stone more, to get a little bit more imprint from the stone. So here I'm using the slurry stone that I got from Bundabeard, the one that provided me the stone. That's the stone that came, the slurry stone that came with it, and basically it's resurfacing it and putting it at a finer finish on the surface. And with the higher or the lower grit surfacing, you definitely feel the difference, and it's easier to slurry when you use the slurry stone on it. And then here I just go through the same process of making it so it's consistent all the way across the bevel. And a lot of times I'll go continuous until it feels the same. So hopefully this is pretty easy to follow. Cut out a lot. I'm not really talking. Family's playing games and making a bunch of noise, so they're enjoying their time, getting mad at each other and everything, while I'm zoning out and getting my my honing done. This is just using the talc stone to build up a light slurry. It's just very, very misty, but it does do like a really nice polish and pulls it into the stone, similar to how the dishwash soap does, the Dawn dish soap. But it just imparts a different quality to it, kind of bumps up the keenness a bit. It's very unique. It's a unique sensation, but also it does add a little difference to the edge. And I only do a few strokes with that, and make sure I clean it off and do some more, just what I think the water or the spray solution I use with the soapy water. And I'm constantly cleaning. Oh no, here it is. That was still the thing. So this is the final step of the using the soap. And I don't know that my camera's microphone picked it up, but the ring becomes really distinct when the finer you get that edge, and it gets it to be really keen. So I just wanted to kind of include that, even though I had the background noise with that. So. And then I wanted to feel the difference between the after stropping as well, of how it goes in. I also do the hair test, hanging hair test, and it cut pretty consistently from the toe to the heel. And I also did a light shave test too, and it was very comfortable, shaved really close. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and hopefully I can get some other videos out, and maybe some restoration or some more sharpening or making some scales. I don't know. We'll see how things go. But I've been wanting to get a video out, and it's been real difficult. So hopefully I can get back to doing it regularly again. So I hope you all enjoyed it, and thanks for watching. Have a great one.